Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close S Bank of India or S Bank saving bank account. So we will see savings bank account closure of S Bank. Two methods you can close your S Bank savings bank account. In that the very first method is that through online mode. In this method you need to have S Bank internet banking or mobile banking application. In internet banking or mobile banking application, you will find under services section, you will find account closure request. So you can raise a request and you can close your S Bank of India savings bank account closure. So you can simply send an email to the bank official mail ID with your request to close your S Bank of India savings bank account, or you can simply contact your customer care support for closing S Bank of India savings bank account. The next step we will see how to close through offline mode. You can visit any nearest S Bank of India branch and you can close your account. Before that, you should not have any balance in your account. Your account balance must be zero and you should clear all your dues. There should be no negative balances or any active services with your account. And you must carry these documents: your passbook, unused checkbook, ATM card, valid ID card, address proof, photos. These are the required documents to close your S Bank of India savings bank account. In the next step, the bank officials will give you an account closure form, or he will tell you to write an application to close the S Bank of India savings bank account. So you should fill the form or you should write the application, and the bank manager will check all your documents along with your application form, and he will start the procedure to close your bank account. Within 3 to 15 days your account will be closed.